So we're gonna make any pumpkin pie mixture or sweet potato mixture, whatever your recipe is. This is not about the recipe, this is about how you do it. We have some eggs. What I like to do is we're gonna have some dry powdered spices here. Now that isn't, come on, you know what those are, right?
I do.
So I like to put them into the mixture. People, wow, what is that? It's very, very interesting to put them in this instead because I don't like them floating on top. I think it mixes better right into the puree, all right? So I put ginger, a little cinnamon in it. Look at that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, eggs, all right? And then, so to make sure the sugar is dissolved, put it into the eggs. This is brown sugar. Put it in there with a little bit of this cream or milk, whatever the recipe calls for, again, and get that really dissolved. Because what you don't want to do is, if you don't happen to shake this properly, you get all the sugar in one big blob.
I like the spices going right in the puree and getting hydrated.
Okay, we're gonna go like that. Pour this in here. And Alex, we have made a pie crust, and I had Alex make the pie crust because she's a great baker and pastry chef.
Oh, I have been
Trust
up all night.
me. She made this, she baked it, and she's gonna freeze it by putting some plastic wrap on top of that and put it into the freezer. Okay, look at that, no lumps.
Yeah.
Really, all the sugar is dissolved. It's really important to do that, okay? So I'm just gonna put it here. And get a plastic container. I believe that's a quart, Jeff, is that a quart?
That is a quart,
okay.
Yes.
We're just gonna pour that in here. Alex,
You
you're
do
gonna...
it separately.
Separately.
Oh, okay.
This is, I was seeing, I was like, what's the angle here,
The angle, what's the angle? That way it doesn't take up too much room, but also, say you just forget to make it, and you still have it in there. You can
could
make it the
also
next day.
just put this in a resealable plastic bag for your freezer,
You
and that
could.
takes up even less space.
Even less space, agreed. So, Alex, we're gonna put that in the freezer, and there you have a great way taking all the stress out of making pie. Wow. So now, we've
love
taken it
that.
out a day before, leave it on the counter so it really defrosts. And you look at this beautiful crust. Make sure you shake this, right? Here we go.
Wow.
Can I ask another question?
Go.
Did you get the pre-made graham cracker crust?
Yeah.
And just pour this
That's
in
what
the
you
oven?
want.
Would that be acceptable?
Do what you want.
In the oven.
Oh, in the oven?
Yes, in the oven, whatever the pie recipe says. And then, thank you. Usually it says in the middle of the oven. And then we're gonna take a gorgeous pie.
Gorgeous.
And
Yeah.
cut.
No cracks.
Bring it.
Very easy, so that's done. All right.
Perfect.
Oh, this has the look, right? Like you can smell and see the spice.
Oh, that's a big slice, Juicy.
Oh, that's not a slice.
Oh, okay.
Is that for all of us, cut into fourths?
Yeah.
What a perfect
Wow,
pumpkin
Geoffrey,
pie.
that is like, you made that ahead, and now look how perfect that is.
Whipped cream, you gotta have some whipped
Give
cream.
it to me.
We're gonna put it in hot water, which is gonna make a little quenelle. Just scrape off the
quenelles.
top. Right?
Oh, a 1 spoon canal.
So
You're so
fancy.
talented.
So wait a
Yeah. You.
minute, just for everybody's sake, to catch up, hot water, spoon, dip and go.
Dip and
Dip
go.
and go.
And dip
That's it.
between each scoop or no?
You wanna keep it warm, yeah. You wanna dip between each scoop, very important.
know
Alex.
Looks like a perfect pie.
Beautiful.
No, just
And if
what
you
I
want, you
thought.
can put some more spice on top of the...
You do a little shake and
Yeah, I can do a shaky shake.
This is so smooth and silky, Jeezy. Right? You get it? You whisk it enough. We don't have all those little granules of sugar. This is so luscious. Your pie crust, so good and crusty. Deliciousness.